actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Good morning, everyone, to this spectacular day, the galaxy of thinkers and honorable guests. Dear teachers, respected parents, and beloved students, how beautiful is this day? You may eventually discover the beauty of this day as this event gradually starts to blossom.
It's indeed rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. Let's take a look at what an investiture ceremony means. The investiture ceremony is an official celebration of a person's installation to his authority, power, right, and office, and one of the most awaited celebrations at Trayambika Vidya Mandir.
Now I welcome Roshan's talent for the welcome speech.
I take pride in getting the opportunity to welcome all of the distinguished guests to this special occasion of the Investiture Ceremony of Trayambika Vidya Mandir. Thus I, Roshan's talent, on behalf of our school, would like to welcome Correspondent Ma'am Dr. Mukambika R.V. We are all proud of you and your extinguished hard work towards the field of education. Next, it is our beloved Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Ranjana S. Nair, who is the navigator of this flagship of knowledge. Moreover, I am honored to welcome dear parents, my fellow students, and my dear teachers to this special occasion. So, welcome all to this proud moment.
So, let's begin this aspiring day with the God's Prayer by Teachers Choir Team. Thank you, teachers. The influence of a great person can never be erased. Now, I'd like to call our beloved principal, Mrs. Ranjana S. Nair, to light the lamp.
It is said that no new venture deemed complete without a Ganesh Puja. So, here we have Ganapati Study Dance performance by the students of Trayambika Vidya Mandir.
पाद पङ्कजं पाद पङ्कजम्
Let us invite our principal ma'am to address the gathering.
It is said that if your actions are inspired by others to learn more, to dream more, and to do more, that means you are a leader. A very good morning to each one of you. I welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of the virtual investiture ceremony of Triambika Vidya Mandir for the academic year 2021-22. Our vision is to create motivated leaders. What I want to share with the newly elected young leaders is that leadership is a great responsibility which has to be handled very sensibly. Dear students, to be a good leader, you need to believe in yourself first. You need to be dedicated and disciplined. You will have to face problems. You need to find out solutions for the problems. You have to motivate others. Leadership is actually an opportunity to serve. Do your duties with honesty, integrity, and above all, impartiality. I firmly believe that you all will emerge as strong leaders. I congratulate each one of you and wish you all success in all your endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's time for the most awaited moment.
Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and lead a trail. The Investiture Ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of our students. And it is the most prestigious ceremony in the schedule of school events. The long-awaited ceremony will now begin. Asher Selvan Jason, the newly elected head boy, well known for his pleasing and cheerful disposition, a passionate learner with the potential of breathing life into his aspiration. Joanna Hines, the newly elected head girl, a voracious reader, musically talented, a true leader in all sense, who believes that success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Aharsh Febru, the sports captain of the academic year 2021 to 2022, a lover of sports and games, a person who listens to his team members rather than making his own decisions.
Neha Nambiar, the sports vice captain, a girl with a positive attitude, a cheerful, supportive and a caring leader. In Triambika Vidya Mandir, we recognize the importance and value of house captains and vice house captains. Here are the selected captains to adorn their positions. Simha House Captain for this year is Adityan M and the vice captain is R. Mega. Mrs. Krishna Prabha is the house mistress and she will be assisted by Miss Sumi. Airavat House Captain for the academic year 2021-22 is Anshlin J. And the Vice Captain is Pranav Ramesh Kumar. The House Mistress is Miss Swapna and the Assistant House Mistress is Miss Jisha. Anamika Sunil Kumar is selected as the Garuda House Captain and PRPV is the Vice Captain. Miss Linda is House Mistress, Miss Flora the Assistant House Mistress. R.S. Ashik is selected to be the Mayura House Captain and Gauri Shivamai is the Vice Captain. Miss Adisha Nair is the House Mistress of Mayura House. Miss Sushama is the Assistant Mistress. We hope that these torch bearers will spread light and fulfill their duties diligently. Best wishes for the newly appointed leaders.
When a man takes an oath, he is holding his own self in his own hands like water. So, I request Principal Ma'am to lead the newly elected members to an oath-taking ceremony. Ma'am, please.
We, the members of the student, solemnly pledge to perform our duties with responsibility, fairness and loyalty, and to serve the school to the best of our ability.
The best of our ability.
We vow that we will do our best to maintain discipline among students and carry out all the duties entrusted to us. We also pledge that we will respect the teachers and management and try the best show discipline throughout our academic career. We will reflect at all times my leadership and example, the values and standards set by our school. Jai Hind.
Let me welcome the newly elected head boy to share his thoughts and views.
Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, I greet you all good wishes. I'm so happy to stand in front of you as J. Ashasalvajasan, studying in grade 9 in Triambika Vidya Mandir. It's a great privilege to stand in front of you as the new head boy of our Temple of Education. The COVID-19 pandemic might have stopped us learning within the four walls, but not education. Now we are into online academic adventure. Though we are in virtual reality, I'm full of ideas, unique and real, to guide my peer group towards the betterment of our school. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Let us hear the words of the newly elected head girl, Joanna Haynes.
A very good morning to the Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Director Ma'am, beloved Principal Ma'am, reverend teachers and all my dear friends. With great humility, I express my gratitude to my teachers who have shown immense faith in me by choosing me as the head girl of the school. I request everyone to work towards creating an atmosphere of harmony and to work together to make this academic session a fruitful one. During this pandemic situation, let's all put our efforts together to make our mentors and the school management proud. As I pledge to fulfill the duties by being the head girl of the school, I will try my best to work hard with all zeal and determination. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Joanna. It's time to lend our ears to the most highly distinguished personality, Correspondent Ma'am Dr. Mukambika RV, to share her views.
Our world is hungry for leaders, from kids who are leading their siblings and classmates to high-level executives. We always need people to step up and take on responsibility. In our school, we are invested in preparing our students to thrive in the world for their future. We are also invested in encouraging you to be the kind of leaders that this world wants. Dear students, congratulations and wish you all the best in exploring yourself as frontline leaders of tomorrow.
Gratitude is the best prayer that anyone can say. So I am here to express my extreme gratitude. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our correspondent Dr. Mukambika RV, Principal Mrs. Ranjana Nair, all the teachers and students who are the real pillars of Triambika Vidya Mandir. You have glorified this event. Thank you all for your great support. I congratulate all the elected council members and I'm sure that all the council members will shoulder the responsibility and follow the motto of our school. Once again, we congratulate all the members. Since no academic celebration is complete without the national anthem of our beloved country, let us all stand up to honor the beautiful land of India.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे